Bilang hahangin. Bilang hahangin.
Yeah.
She can't find the cuticle remover, so and I saw it, so okay guys, let's go. Bata yung dito eh, hindi mo gusto.
Okay.
Kaya kita siya. If I stop, you will stop.
Okay. I stop, you stop. Okay.
J?
388, 381.
Uh,
Order.
si Syria.
Wala
Snap.
na.
Pansit Canton. $1.
Tatay, tatay.
Soup.
I get 3.
Okay.
This is our favorite.
What else? Nutri-Star.
Nutri-Star. I'll buy one. And the tortillas.
I think I'm good.
Yeah, I think there's
Mm-mm. Okay.
Let's try this hal. It's vegan.
What's that? Fishbowl.
Like kikiam steaks. Seafood balls. That's it. Just try.
Before we went to Toronto, di ka bumili tayo? No?
You get more?
Ay, kalbi pa tayo.
Local.
Masarap. Kalbi. Oh, na.
Okay.
Para pambaon niya. School. For Simon. Maybe there. We'll get daing bango. How is? For snake bite. Diba?
Oo.
We usually buy this.
You get that one.
2. Because we yeah.
Huh? Yeah? We use it for sour soup.
Oh, it's very expensive.
What's that?
Never mind.
Belly?
Yeah.
They don't have the 3 in 1 bag.
No, they don't. It's not
$7.99.
okay. One. There's $7.99. Oh, come on, this one. We have to
This way,
speak
this
English
way.
because dito is the
You too? Are you going to buy? For yeah, for your dad.
390, 381, 388.
I have to call Tita siya. Before that, we solved it. Angel, Cremdensada. This is Tita siya. Tita siya. That's her list. We didn't buy it, it's friendship over. No joke, wait lang. Hang on. I'll get you as well for supper.
Looks like she's making a dessert.
Yeah, that's for this is ours. And she asked for Ginisa mix. Do they have Ginisa mix? Not the
Other
magic.
side.
But not the magic sarap.
Other side. Let's go. Wee. Oh, I shaver. Ooh. For halo-halo. Juan Tomas.
There's no Ginisa mix.
No ginisa mix. Probably at the other side.
Oh, this one, pinibus.
Huh?
We use this.
Ooh, yeah.
Calamansi and the $1 only.
Original.
Yeah, get
This one, original.
And I want the
Calamansi.
or wala.
277.
Yeah, yan. Okay.
That's all? Calamansi.
No, not there. That is Sharon's.
Ah.
Here is ours. This is James. Let's finish this area first before
Okay.
we go because- Yeah.
Okay.
We have to speak English because Peter is blocking. So, where we have to...
Oh, Filipino style spaghetti.
Oh, there's in...
We have it in Swan River. Okay.
Where's Tita Shah's magic sarap? Sabi niya sa mix.
Other side, other side. Ha?
Should we buy daw ng gabi?
Oh yeah. Albert wants one.
Oh, let's buy
Two?
like 2.
Mm-mm.
Is this the biggest? I guess. Yeah. Oh. Get 2 because he knows how to cook that.
Mm-mm. Gata. Coconut milk.
Purple yan dyan.
Okay.
Let's buy. Come on, James. Shopping at
Kopi ko.
Can you get
Bayo ko nga.
the black because not the black.
Bayo ko nga mali na. Rit nanay na rin.
From top,
What else?
top to bottom. All new. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Top
You
to
want some?
bottom, all new.
What else?
This.
Champurado.
I don't.
You know?
We will just cook.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Tita siya also wants the malunggay and the... Oh, this one you need? What is this? Oh, well, buy because it's only...
$1?
I don't know.
No, $4.
Okay, well, buy.
What's $1?
Oh, 30 na. Oh, basta bayin mo. Did you get me coffee too? Like this one?
No, not yet.
The white blanca because...
Mm-mm.
Yeah, because...
Because You want the...
Just because.
Just because. Hot cake ube. Ooh.
We don't need any drinks. Oh. Maybe here in the noodle section.
Noodles.
You want something?
Jajangmyeon. Buldak. Jin ramen. Udon. How much is the rice?
Also get this and the chicken suka because if we are not feeling well, we're dying.
We're dying.
Because noodles is
Life.
like it's 2 for $5. No, come to mama. So, oh, I can reach.
Oh, you can reach.
Don't you dare.
Okay, game.
Baby boy, come
Ready
on.
yun.
We haven't tried the lobby yet.
Try the lomi. Yeah.
Okay, let you get 2. That way it's for the welfare of our audience. Oh, we have to buy the ribs.
Huh? We
No,
still
the
have...
tanglad.
Oh, tanglad. The other side.
Oh, there's the ube
Oo, ano?
ice cream. Wait it. Marble?
What's this?
Dorian.
Dorian?
Dorian.
Dorian?
Yeah, Dorian.
The Dorian.
Yeah. Or maybe it's again. I'm not gonna get any.
Meats?
Oh, no, the last one. No, there. The
Yeah.
tanglad is the malongga.
Eh. Oh, they have the dahon pandan. Meaty, juicy.
No, not the big one.
This one?
There.
How many? This one or this one? 19.
Get that and get this.
Huh? Dalawa?
Because if it's summertime.
Ah, longganisa.
No, that is also hotdog.
Okay. What?
Red tender juicy hotdog. Not
Oh.
that one. Oh, you're correct. There. Perfect.
Let's go. Calamansi. Yeah, I'm looking for it.
This is the hotdog section now.
Lengua.
What is that?
Lengua.
Some cubes.
Oo. They don't have.
Oh. Chori burger. The ones in Boracay.
Oh.
Let's try it. Do we need buto-buto? No. We should
We
do
still have one.
Do we have shrimp?
Uy, mussels. Sarap po.
Yan, masarap. Hindi kaya ito mainitan.
Well, we have to take out the
Ay, wala. Kakashrimp lang naman. Maybe in
Water.
spoon na lang.
Okay. That's okay. That's everything? Bread.
We have, yeah.
Oh. Let's go.
Hey,
Bread?
I will get the box of things in the bag.
Okay. Cake, right?
Ay, no. No face na tayo. Then once we go to Costco, kato, mag-aanda na by again lang.
Tira, ano?
Pero buy it. Maybe just the, ano?
Garlic bread.
Do you want that?
What's that? Floss?
Pero meron dito dati yung corned beef na sandwich. Pork barbecue pandesal. Chicken alaki. O ito para iban man. Chicken alaki. Ayan. Okay na yun.
That's it? We'll pay? Oops, sorry po.
Ano pa na? Hindi ko yung lang. Ulitin ko lang. 204 731 1621 debit po. Debit. Send to me.